Next filter is membrane filter. In that, here, what is the membrane filter? Okay, what is the principle of this membrane filter? It is act like a sieve. Okay, and the mechanism is surface filtration. Okay, so here, what is the construction? This membrane filter here, it is looks like this. Okay, these are the membrane filters, and it is made up from the cellulose acetate. Here it is made up from the cellulose acetate and cellulose nitrate, or okay, mixed cellulose esters. Okay, these membrane filters are supported on a rigid base of perforated metal or plastic or coarse sintered glass. Okay, these membrane filters are okay made up from the any kind of cellulose nitrate, okay, cellulose acetate, cellulose esters. Okay, and it consists of a perforated metal. Okay, the base is perforated metal, plastic or coarse sintered glass. Okay, here these filters are brittle when in a dry condition and can be stored for an indefinite period, and these filters okay are between 50 to 150 micron okay thick and are available in sizes up to 60 centimeter. Okay, and okay, here these filters have got high retention characteristics due to pore size, or also high dielectric constant and surface sensitivity, and these are available in different pore sizes such as okay 150 micron thick and up to 60 centimeter square. Also, when the pore size is okay 0.010 to 0.10 micrometer, then it is used for to remove the okay virus particles from air and water. When the particle size is 0.03 to 0.65 micrometer, then it is used for the removing the bacteria. If the size is 0.8 or 1.2 or 3.0 to 5, okay, then this size is used for the particle sizing and purifying aerosol and radioactivity. Okay, if the solution to be filtered okay which contains a considerable quantity of suspended solids, okay, then here this preliminary filtration through a suitable depth filter avoids okay clogging of the membranes or clogging of the membranes. Okay, here what are the uses? Okay, first of all, what is the working? Okay, working in that a membrane filter has 400 to 500 millimeter pores per square centimeter of filter surface. These pores are absolutely uniform in size and occupy about 80% of filter volume. ओके, आणि सिम्पल आहे. मेम्ब्रेन फिल्टर काय असणार आहे तर सीव लाईक स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, सीव सारखं त्याच्यामध्ये जर आपण एखादं स्लरी पोअर केली तर ते सिम्पल फिल्टर आउट त्याच्यातून जे काही लिक्विड असेल ते फ्लो होईल आणि सॉलिड वरती रिटेन जो काही केक असेल सॉलिड मटेरियल असेल ते रिटेन राहील. ओके, in that here to avoid a rapid clogging of membrane pre-filtration is often required. Okay, so the selection of a membrane filter for a particular application depends on the particles to be removed. Okay, it is depends on the particles to be removed. And what are the uses of this membrane filter? Here the disc membranes, okay, these disc membrane filters are used for okay microorganisms and also colony counts. Okay, and also these membrane filters can be used in autoclave and also used for the sterile filtration. Okay, used for the sterile filtration means the sterilization of both aqueous and oily liquids. Okay, and these filters cannot be used for the filtration of organic solvents such as alcohols, ketones, esters and chloroforms. It is only used for the microorganisms and colony counts and also used in the autoclave. Okay, and also for the sterile filtration. Okay, then here next filtration is there. Okay, before going to next filtration, there are some advantages of this membrane filter. Okay, first is the this filter is a rapid filter. okay, and these are available as a disposable items, okay. Also the bacterial growth on the membranes is not observed, okay. So even though prolonged filtration can be takes place, okay. So these are the advantages of these membrane filters. And what are the disadvantages of this membrane filter? Here the most refined grades are expensive and mostly used in the laboratory tests, such as collecting microorganisms for microscopic examination. Also these filters are brittle when dry, and so that's why, okay, can be stored indefinitely in the dry state, okay. Also these filters may get clogged, okay. This is the also drawback of this membrane filter, okay. And here these membrane filters are not used for the polyethylene glycols, certain alcohols, also dimethyl formamide, then esters, ketones, okay, chloroforms. That's why it is not used for these solvents. So this is also the disadvantage of this membrane filters, okay. Then next point is here seeds filter, okay. Seeds filter, it is looks like this, okay. It is looks like this. Here this seeds filter consists of a, okay, pad of compressed asbestos as a filtering medium, okay. Pad as a asbestos, okay, pad of compressed asbestos, okay, as a filtering medium. This seeds filter, okay, having the pad size, okay, it is 2 mm thick, okay, it is 2 mm thick, and also here 1 micrometer in diameter, 2 mm thick and 1 micrometer in diameter, okay. It consists of two parts, okay. It consists of two parts. Lower part fitted with a perforated plate over which compressed asbestos pad is placed, and upper part has a value through which pressure can be applied, okay. And both parts are joined together for winged nuts, okay, for winged nuts. And the mechanism of this filter, it is a similar to the depth filtration. It is similar to the depth filtration. And here the finest pore size gives almost perfect filtration and retains small viruses in this filtration, okay, in this filter. And for industrial use, okay, thicker pads are made of are most commonly used, okay. And also these thicker pads, okay, are made to fitted especially in the plate and frame filter press, okay. प्लेट अँड फ्रेम फिल्टर प्रेसमध्ये थिक पॅड असलेले सीड्स फिल्टर यूज केले जातील, ओके. देन हियर what are the uses, okay, what are the uses of this seeds filter? Here it is used for the sterile filtration, okay. It is used for sterile filtration, also used for the air filtration, okay. Also used for the viscous solutions, also, okay. It is used for the used for the sterile preparations, okay. Then what are the advantages? Here there is no risk of contaminating the filtrate, okay. This is the advantage. Also the apparatus is very simple to use, okay, simple operating system. And for viscous solution they are more suitable, okay. For viscous solution they are more suitable also. Then what are the disadvantages? These asbestos may shed loose फायबर्स, ओके. ज्यावेळेस फिल्ट्रेशन करत असू त्यावेळेस जे काही ॲस्बेस्टोसचे फायबर्स आहेत ते त्या फिल्ट्रेटमध्ये येण्याचे चान्सेस आहेत, ओके. ऑल्सो so this is the disadvantage. This pad may absorb sufficient amount of medicament, okay. This is also the disadvantage, okay. Also the seeds filter are, okay, fragile, okay, when wet and must be supported on a perforated metal or plastic, or, okay, also the disc, okay, also in a disc, okay. These are the disadvantages, okay, of this seeds filter. Also the fibrous pads are not suitable for sterilizing products, okay, containing alcohol or oil, This is all about the seeds filter.